I'm going to take my mask off for a minute just to tell you what I've been doing. I used counterculture, artist resin, parts A and B, equal amounts. I mixed about 14 ounces for these 6 molds, and I did about 1.5 to 2 ounces with just Noir. It's the word for black pigment mica powder. That was in 1 cup, and then another cup it was just the black alcohol ink, which was just straight black, and then the black resin pigment paste, and then I put some of the mica powder into that. So it's like kind of 3 shades of black that just gives it some shimmer. Then I poured clear into the center, and I'm waiting to about the 45-minute mark, so I've still got about 6 minutes or so to go. I want it to be starting to get tacky, and then I'm going to put my snowflakes on top, and I don't want them to really sink, so I'm waiting out as long as possible to put those in. I don't want the black to go over the silver, so it's really safer just to kind of lay it on the surface and then come back in 4 to 6 hours and put a thin clear coat on top. Okay, so these are cured. They sat overnight and ready to unmold and see what they look like. Black with a little bit of a clear center, and the black has some shimmer to it. And then I put a top coat of resin over the snowflake to seal it in. And then I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. And I like to put it on a flat surface. So I first go around the inside and do a healthy silver line, and then I just go along the edges of the top. There's actually a tiny little rim, and I like that. I leave that. I don't sand it down. That is liquid chrome. There, it's in my Amazon link below the video. The molds are there. The glitter snowflakes are there. Okay, so this is this liquid chrome is oil based, so you have to give it some time to dry. It dries pretty quickly, but you can't touch it like immediately after doing it on the surface, or it will make it look dull and it may even smear it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. These are going to be shipped off to the person that custom ordered them. And I will see you on the next video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment if you would like, and subscribe. And if you're not a subscriber, please do join the love. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye bye.